Sri Kochosel Thomas Chittilappilly, the highly successful entrepreneur, writer, and philanthropist, was born on December 29, 1950. After completing his post-graduation in physics in 1970, he started his career as a supervisor in an electronic company. With his inner urge to start something on his own, he started a small stabilizer manufacturing unit in 1977 with the borrowed capital of rupees 1 lakh from his father. It was the beginning of V-Guard Industries, the BSE and NSE listed electronic appliance company with a market capitalization of around 10,000 crore. He founded Wonderla, one of the most attractive chain of amusement parks in the country. He also owns a real estate venture, Vigaland Developers. As a successful businessman, he believes that there is no Midas touch in business. Quality consciousness and straightforward approach are the success mantra for him and from him to every entrepreneur. Yes, he is certainly an inspiration to every aspiring entrepreneur. As a philanthropist, he launched in 2009 the K. Chittilappilly Foundation, which is a source of help for a number of needy people in the society without any discrimination. Sri Chittilappilly is a well-known humanist. His act of kidney donation at the age of 60 to a truck driver has set a noble precedent in the field of organ donation. He has been on a tireless journey to spread the message of organ donation. His talent not just in business, it extends to literature too. He has authored several books. The books titled Practical Wisdom 1 and Practical Wisdom 2 is a guide for entrepreneurs, managers, and management students. Collection of his life memories called Ormagalek Oriyatra and Orma Kilivadal. His experience of donating a kidney, The Gift, and his autobiography in English, A Journey Towards Hope. He has received several prestigious awards for his contribution towards business and society, such as Rashtriya Samman from Government of India for being the highest taxpayer in India, Malayalam Manorama Newsmaker of the Year 2011, Business Deepika Millennium Businessman of Kerala, the Tourism Man of the Year 2000 from Destination Kerala, and many more. As a family, they share the burden and blessings of the business world. His wife, Sheila, and two sons, Arun and Mithun, hold responsible positions in various family enterprises. His life is a model to all, and as a Keralites, we all are proud of him. We wish him success in all his future endeavors. Thank you.